Hi, we are right here at the 310 Staple Drive, Rollinsville, on the property of the Elena Kruger for a shingle test. I am with Alex and my name is Martin. We are going to do it careful as smooth possible. Um, I'm going to give you a little view of the back of the back of the house. Okay, that says the chingo, the one we're going to work on the test. You can puedes comenzar ahora. You can start right now. Go around the shingle. See, we're going to check right here the brand of the shingle. It's certain shingle is the Horizon shingles. This is the discontinued shingles. We can find any more of this brand to do the repair with the same color and brand. So we're gonna go ahead and put him back and see what is the result in the end. And then see, we see this the one we're replacing. You can see right here they got it got a crack right here, and because it's with the move we have to remove the other one. And see, even this one they don't have any more seal to glue this one. See, they don't got any more seal to seam well, so they're gonna be flipping with the wind. And they're gonna stay with some holes in the next. So this is from what I'm seeing is repairable shingles. See, we got the two taps. This one right here and the other one, but we couldn't see with the because it's in the really in shadow right here between of the line of the shingle. So for my opinion, this one is no way to live in a good repair. It's on repairable shingle. This is concluded this.